This is the Empowered Gardening update for the star coil in my garden for Empowered Beyond Belief. Now, please know that I'm not a master gardener, but I am enjoying this experiment with the star coil, which is placed here in the center. So it's 3 days later. It was June 17th. Today is June 20th, 2025. We can see there was one bloom that already came and went on the squash plant. Now we've got 2 more blooms in process. And then 4 or 5 blooms going on here on what I believe is another squash plant. Everything seems to be just a little more upright. I don't know, it could be my imagination. Leave a comment if you have a different view or you see something that I don't. We're going to move on to the smaller one now.